Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, I'm just going to do a quick video for you today. I'm just going to catch you up on what I've been doing over this past week. It's Wednesday, June 14th, and I am in my bedroom. I have put some things on the wall. I have my catnap in sign over my bed with a couple of little pictures that have flowers on them. I will show you that a little bit more. I put up my lilac picture with the little garden in French, jardine above it. So things are starting to come along. I have rearranged my office and I'm going to show you that. I have taken everything out of the boxes. I have no more boxes up in my office, which is a really good feeling, and I really like the way the office is set up now. So I'll take you on a tour of my office. I have also put up some of those shelves in my shower that I had done in a previous video for you when I did a spa makeover for my bathroom in my home, my previous home, but I needed some shelves in this shower because I had nowhere to put all my stuff except for on the base of the tub, around the perimeter of the tub, which I did not like. So I put up some shelves. I got 3 shelves from Amazon and I have them up. So I'm going to show you that, and then I'm just going to take you along on a few things that we did this past weekend, and also on a walk, a couple of walks that I did with Joey, just so you can see what I see when I go for walks with him. So beautiful. Love it so much. I am off tomorrow. I have a vacation day tomorrow and Friday, so I plan on getting my closet completed. I have a few things I have to buy, and I'm going to take you along on that video next week as I get my closet squared away. I still have underneath my bathroom sink to do, and my pantry. I need to organize my pantry. So those will be upcoming videos in the near future. But I'm going to continue to take you along where I go around here. On Monday, there's a farmer's market I'm going to be going to at a local restaurant here in my local area, in where we live here in the Pine Hills. So I'm going to take you along for that. So stay tuned for some upcoming videos. I'm still kind of getting my bearings here as to what I'm going to be filming in my new digs, in my new area. Everything is changed, but I really, really love it. And we both love it. Bob and I love it. The kids are doing great in the house. We had a little bit of a birthday celebration for me this past weekend over with the kids at the house. It was really fun. So I'll show you a couple of snippets from that as well. So anyway, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. So we got this new console for right underneath the TV, and it's like a little bit of a fireplace. It does give heat, but I have the heat turned off. It's just doing the fire right now with the little stones. I think they are so pretty. I think that it looks really nice, and it's going to give me some space to actually put some decor items on those side shelves. And I already put books in the middle to hide there are holes back there for, like, you know, electronics, whatever you might have. Cable boxes, things like that, but we don't have any cable boxes because our cable guy put the cable box behind the TV, so that was good. So that there's not going to be anything else TV related on top of that, so I really like that. I think it looks really good. We got it from Cardi's, and the other piece that we just got, I picked this out yesterday and they delivered it today, which is exciting. And it's this dining room table with a bench and 4 chairs. And I got this from Cardi's. It has I think it's an 18-inch leaf that you can add, which is perfect if we want to invite family. We can still just add a couple of chairs and our whole family will fit. And I got this this nice serving piece here, and this is going to be great. I can use it for any way I want. I mean, I can hang some wine glasses there, put some wine bottles there. I have nice drawers. I can put silverware or serving pieces, and then I can also store in here. I could even make this a coffee bar if I wanted to. Plenty of storage space. It's a matching set. I just really love it, and I put it this way because when I had it the other way, like horizontal to the wall, I couldn't see the little server piece. So I changed it around this way, and I think it looks fine. I'm gonna get something for that wall there on the, something big. I don't know what yet. I did put my sitting on the beach with shoes off picture that I absolutely love. Definitely looks like beaches around here that I've been to many, many times. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change out my shampoo bottles for a couple reasons. One, because they look prettier, but the bottles that the shampoo and conditioner came in were so hard to squeeze out the product. So these have pumps, and there are the shelves. They look so nice in the shower. These shelves are super easy to install, and I will link the video where I installed them prior at the end of this video. All right guys, this is the office. I have my bookshelf with my clock. I've got to put some things up there and hide that little red switch plate, whatever that's for, but I got my books all in. And everything's been emptied out of my boxes. I purchased this little craft cart from Michael's, and it holds all my papers, things that I can't put, I can't find a spot for, my printer paper, bunch of stuff for my camera equipment, just all kinds of things like that fit really well. I have a couple of things underneath tucked away nice. My Cricut machine, my little heat seal machine, and then my desk is now facing the wall, but I really like it here because it hides all the wires. It's not something that faces you when you come up like it was before, because it was on that wall before. And now I have my printers here, and you can see my view as I'm working. I just have to look to my left, and I have a beautiful view. And this is pretty much the same. I've tucked in a little basket there, and a little plant in the corner where all my boxes were. And I also have this rocking chair here, so when Bob comes up, he can talk to me and sit down, while I'm up here. And I have my plant in the corner. This is the plant that I had, transferred right before the move. I think it likes it here. It's not getting direct sunlight, but it has some blooms on it, and the leaves look nice and green and shiny. So I think it's gonna like it here. It does get indirect light. And I'll show you my African violets because they're about to bloom, and I did those as well. And of course, my constant companion. What do you think, Joe? You like the office? I know, isn't it great? Isn't it great? Here's Bo getting some nice morning sun. He's enjoying that. And I will show you my African violets. They really love their spot because they're getting ready to bloom. Look at that. I just transplanted these right before the move, and I've got a couple of blooms getting ready to pop. So that tells me that it likes this spot. It gets beautiful morning sunlight. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you'll consider subscribing and coming back to see what I'm up to for future videos. So take care, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.